Alright, there's my beehive. I just did a sugar shake on it with powdered sugar. Put the white board underneath the slot on the bottom there. It's a screened bottom board. And so I got the board over here. I'm going to show you what I found. Okay, so here's the board out of that one. I'm looking for these little mites. You can see the powdered sugar on there. But we're going to see if we can zoom in. I'll show you. This thing has a whole bunch of these little mites. See if we can find one that's moving. Well, you can see a bunch of them in there. Okay, there I found one that's still alive. He's still crawling around. Right there in the middle of the screen. But that's what we're trying to get rid of. That's powdered sugar that he's crawling on. So that fell through all the hive onto the bottom board, and this lets you calculate how bad your problem is. And I knew this hive was sick, but now we know exactly what's going on. We can get some treatments in there. That was pretty informative, but that's what the little mites look like, and unfortunately this hive has a ton of them.